Hi, I want to talk to you today about gift funds here at GustanCho.com. Gift funds on FHA are a little different than gift funds for conventional. I'll tell you what the difference is. If you're buying a house conventional and you're getting gift funds from your parents, let's say, and your parents have $100 million in their bank account and they don't want to show anybody that, and they write you a check and you cash that check as the gift fund. So what we're going to need is a gift letter from your parents, copy of that check, canceled. If we get that, a canceled check after it clears in your bank account, and in your bank account showing that the money's in your bank account, then we don't need to see their bank account at all. So they don't have to show their bank account conventional. Now, if they wire that money or they get like some kind of cashier's check to you, then we need to see their bank account, make sure it left their bank account. So if you want to do a conventional loan and the donor doesn't want to show their bank account, I recommend you write a personal check from that donor to you, and they won't have to show their bank account. Now, FHA is a little different. FHA will always want to see the donor's account. They'll always want to see it leaving the donor's account. They want the gift letter, they want the check, and they want to see it going in your bank account. So if you're doing an FHA loan and your parents have $100 million in the bank and they want nobody to see it, it's tough to get a gift letter, the gift process, because they have to show the donor's statement. So if you're only way you can do it is, it's just, you can't do it. FHA doesn't let you get donors funds without seeing where it came from. So keep that in mind. Conventional, you don't have to show the donor's account if you do it right. FHA, you always have to show the donor's account. You got any questions, give me a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.